In today's video, let me show you how to fix Google Drive access denied error. So if you're also getting this error message whenever you try to open up any video. So let's say you also try to open up any link that has been sent to you, and this is the exact message that you're seeing. This is happening because the owner of the file has not given you access of this particular file that you're trying to open up. So what the owner or the sender of this file must do is click on the three-dotted line, click on share, and make sure that this link or this folder is set to anyone with the link. Only when this happens and only when this is set to anyone with the link, the file can be opened easily. So make sure that you tell this exact steps to the person that sent you this file. But however, if this is not the case with you, and if you're still having issues, then what you can try out is instead of downloading the single file, you can download it with some other files so that it downloads as a zip and not a single file. So as you can see, if you download multiple files, it is downloaded as a zip file. So using this exact process, you should be able to fix this issue. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.